Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Welcome to the UC Berkeley Extension informational session on the professional program in certificate program in clinical research conduct and management. Hi, my name is Dr. Richard Louis. I'm the program director here in this department. Over the next 20 to 30 minutes, I will share with you information about the UC Berkeley Extension, the Professional Certificate Program in Clinical Research Conduct and Management, a programmatic overview of the program, including the curriculum, the course offerings, and the costs, how to earn the certificate. As well, we'll touch upon briefly other related programs that might be of interest to you. And we will conclude at the very end of the presentation a question and answer segment. You are welcome to submit questions at any point during the presentation. Please bear in mind that some of your questions may be addressed in the content presented in a later segment of the talk. We also will do our best to answer each and every one of your questions. And if there are specific questions, advising questions regarding career paths with this particular certificate and career options, please feel free to email us and we can discuss offline. So to begin, I'd like to share with you a little bit about what is Extension. UC Berkeley Extension was founded in 1891 with the mission of providing continuing and professional education for adults. We offer many professional certificates and programs. Today, I will discuss one of these professional certificates. At Extensions, we have a diverse portfolio of course offerings in both classroom and online delivery formats, with about 40,000 enrollments per year. In-person classroom instructions are available at our Berkeley, San Francisco, and Belmont teaching facilities. To ensure the quality of our programs, each of our programs and courses are reviewed and approved by UC Berkeley to ensure the highest academic standards. The curriculum is overseen by an advisory board comprising of life science and education leaders and working professionals in the respective disciplines. For this program, our instructors have extensive industry experience in clinical research, conduct, and management. For professional certificates and programs, please note students need to complete courses for a letter grade and pass with a C or better. Now I would like to tell you about the certificate program in clinical research, conduct, and management. The Clinical Research Conduct and Management Certificate Program is designed to provide the foundational knowledge that will help prepare you for a career in clinical research. Whether you pursue a career as a clinical research associate, clinical research coordinator, clinical trials associate, or other positions within a clinical operations team. The programs cover a number of topics, including study design, the regulatory agencies, good clinical practices, the operational aspects of planning and implementing clinical studies, data management, human subjects research, informed consent, project management, data analysis, and study closeout, such as clinical study report, among many other topics. This program is suitable whether you pursue a career in academic research institutions, industry for diagnostic or therapeutic companies, or contract research organizations. This professional program was first introduced in 2004, and we have awarded over 600 certificates to date For this program, we recommend that you have a bachelor's degree, preferably in the science or technical field, before starting. The curriculum coursework meets the continuing education requirements for nurses, approved by the California Board of Registered, accepted by the California Board of Registered Nursing, and clinical research professionals. This program consists of 4 required courses, totaling 12 semester units. Each course costs about $1,900. The course fee upon completion of the program is approximately $7,600. There's a one-time program registration fee of $150. Please note that students may enroll in and complete individual courses without registering for the certificate. So you can start taking courses and then decide later on whether you want to register to obtain the certificate. This slide lists the 4 courses that you need to complete the certificate. We recommend that students complete the courses in the order of the sequence, as subsequent courses typically build upon the prior course. Here are some of the topics covered in the respective courses. In the first course, Introduction to Clinical Research, Clinical Trials, Phases, and Design. The first course covers good clinical practices, regulations, FDA, ICH, clinical trial design, medical devices, and medical terminology, and other topics. In the second course, 400.3, we offer topics including clinical trial protocol development, data management, data capture, informed consent, operational elements in the planning and initiation of clinical studies. The third course in the series, 400.4, covers topics including regulatory documents, clinical trial implementation, study monitoring, subject recruitment, among other topics. And finally, in the last course, topics that are covered include quality assurance, inspection, and audits, project management, data analysis, and clinical study report. We offer all 4 courses in each academic term, spring, summer, and fall terms. Each course is available in 2 delivery formats. We offer courses in online format, and we also offer these courses in the hybrid format. I'll discuss more in the next 2 slides about these 2 formats. Whether you elect to complete the courses in online or the hybrid format, the courses are interchangeable, or the sections are interchangeable, meaning you could complete the certificate with a combination of hybrid courses and online courses, or you can complete the program by completing all the courses in the hybrid format or in the online format. Typically, students take, on average, less than a year to less than a year to complete the coursework for this certificate. I'd like to now take a moment to describe the differences between the different course delivery options. The hybrid courses are administered in a way that half of the course is via online instructional material, and half of the course instruction is with in-person classroom instruction. Hybrid courses consist of 4 to 5 in-person Saturday meetings spanning over a period of about 2 months. Hybrid courses allow students who wish for in-person interaction with our instructors. Usually the hybrid courses consist of 3 to 4 instructors, all with specialty knowledge in the respective disciplines within the clinical research profession. And And it's a great opportunity for students to interact with the instructors, understand, get some additional real-world case example discussions on various topics, and to also to contact and meet them to get some career advising as well. It's also a great opportunity to meet your peers, to share your expertise, your background, and exchange knowledge. The hybrid courses are held at our San Francisco teaching facilities. Hybrid courses for this program are offered in fall and spring semesters, as I mentioned earlier. Online courses are offered in all three terms, that is fall, spring, and summer semester. Fall semester term starts late August and runs through the end of December. Spring semester spans from January to April. Summer term begins May and runs through August. For the online delivery format, course materials, learning modules, and assignments and discussions are completed entirely online. Online courses are fixed date, meaning that there is a defined start and end date. Online courses are 8 weeks in duration, with assigned weekly modules and associated written and discussion assignments. Both our classroom hybrid course and online course instructors are facilitated and led by our industry professionals with expertise in management and conducting clinical studies and clinical trials. The course instructor will provide, for online courses, the course instructor will provide a course calendar to define due date for assignments and when each learning module should be completed. For online course, a proctored final exam is required for online course delivery. If you take the hybrid course, the final exam is administered on the last class meeting, the last in-person class meeting. To earn this certificate, you need to register for the certificate and complete the 4 required courses with a C or better. You may register for the certificate even after you have started taking the courses. Once you have completed the coursework, you will need to contact our department, the Department of Science, Mathematics, and Biotechnology, and we'll provide you with the contact number and the email to our department at the end of this presentation to request the certificate. We also offer a selection of optional courses that may be of interest to you. So this slide here provides a listing of courses that might be of interest to help bolster your knowledge base as you prepare a career in clinical studies and clinical trial management. Students may opt to take some of these courses to apply towards eligibility for credentialing examination through the Association of Clinical Research Professionals or the Society for Clinical Research Associates. We offer, for example, in this list, we offer all of these courses each year, and some are offered multiple times a year. The drug development process course and intensive seminar is a very popular course, introducing students to not only the business side of drug development, but also covering the full spectrum of the process of developing new products or new drugs in industry setting. Before I continue, I wanted to also make a separate note, and that is for students who complete the certificate program or nearing completion, we offer students an opportunity to obtain an internship. We are starting this new internship program or opportunity starting this year, actually starting this spring. And so it's an opportunity to offer students the opportunity to gain practical experience applying the knowledge learned from the coursework and to apply it to an actual project. We have established collaboration with pharmaceutical companies as well as diagnostic companies in the San Francisco Bay Area, as well as with academic research institutions and recruitment firms to help those who want the work experience to an opportunity to be placed in those respective settings to gain those practical experience. So this would be a great opportunity for those who are new to clinical research but want to gain that experience, to get the experience and then to be more competitive as you apply for a career position in the profession. I also wanted to note that there is a related program that we offer. It's a professional program in regulatory affairs for those who might be interested. Please check out our website to learn more about this program. I also wanted to note that students who have completed the program have found this course to be very beneficial in helping them secure their job as a clinical research professional. If you like to hear more or learn more about some of these unique cases, please feel free to check our website or feel free to email us, and we certainly can discuss and talk to you about how students have benefited and found it helpful from those unique individual cases. And with that, I want to conclude the presentation segment of this info session. Now I want to launch into the question and answer segment. Please feel free to submit your questions and we'll do our best to answer them. As you're submitting your questions, I want to start out with some frequently asked questions as a starting point. Some of the questions that we've received is, can I transfer credit from a college or university towards the certificate program? Yes, you may, but certainly the coursework that you wish to use to substitute for any of the required courses required in this curriculum, you would need to run it by us run by me in order to obtain approval prior to making that substitution. We do not allow more than 25% of the total program coursework to be substituted. So just please take note of that. Is UC Berkeley Extension academic credit transferable? It all depends on the university to which you wish to transfer the coursework to. Our program is accredited. Our coursework has been approved and reviewed by the UC Berkeley Academics Committee. So it will be an individual case-by-case basis where you would need to verify with the institution that you wish to have the coursework transferred to, whether they will accept the particular course here. Can I take courses in any order? We recommend that you take the courses sequentially, but we have cases where students have felt comfortable, have prior clinical research experience, and they felt comfortable taking courses, multiple courses concurrently or out of sequence. But we recommend that for the most part, recommend that that you take the courses in order of sequence. And as mentioned, how long does it take to complete the certificate? Within 1 year. It all depends on individual work-life balance. We have seen cases where students have completed within 6 months. So it all depends on the number of courses that you'll be taking and the frequency of the courses that you'll be completing. We offer 3 sections of each of those 4 courses that I mentioned each academic term, except for summer. In summer, we only offer the online course, but we offer 2 sections of each course in the summer in the online format. For fall and spring, we offer 2 online sections of each course, but we also offer 1 section of each course in the hybrid format. The way the courses are scheduled and staggered, it allows you to complete, if you wish, 1 course in the first half of the semester, and then be able to enroll in the next course in the series in the second half of that term. So it's possible for students to complete 2 courses back to back, one right after the other, within the fall, summer, or spring terms. When do I learn about and enroll in courses for the future term? Currently, we are open for spring course enrollment. Spring courses for the first half of the spring semester has already started. Coursework for the second half will begin in March, so there's opportunity for you, if you decide to start the coursework, to enroll today. For summer courses will be available in March, so please check back on the website in March to see the course offerings, the schedule, time and day of the sections. For fall term, the courses will be made available probably around June or July, that time frame. So please check back around June to July for the course availability for fall, so you can kind of see what the online and hybrid course offerings will be. And for spring, usually you should be able to begin seeing course offerings probably towards the end of October or mid-October to early November. You'll start seeing the availability of spring courses. We will encourage students that are interested in completing the courses to enroll early, as it will help us in planning and determining whether course sections will run and whether we will open additional sections to accommodate the higher enrollment numbers. So please be sure to take that into consideration as you plan for your certificate. Another question is, how does this certificate differ from our other clinical research conduct and management programs? There are competing programs in the San Francisco Bay Area. What we offer is a very compact, intensive clinical research program that could be completed within a year. We offer the coursework in dual teaching modalities, online and hybrid, which gives students the flexibility to complete courses or complete coursework while balancing a full-time work. And so, and we also have a phenomenal instructors. Many of them are all working professionals, and with a practical real world experience, and who are happy to share with you and provide guidance to you, career advice of this profession. The cost of our program is very comparable to other clinical research certificate programs in the San Francisco Bay Area. And the other question is, can these courses be delivered at my workplace? We currently are looking at ways to develop opportunities to create custom courses, create corporate training for students. So if your company or your workplace would benefit and would like to have a custom program on clinical research, we certainly can develop programs and courses and customize it to your individual company needs. We'll be covering topics on GCP, good clinical practices, on human subjects, on regulatory matters. We are open and available to develop programs for those specific needs. I have a question here, and that is the internship program available to all students of the certificate program or only to the graduates? We offer the certificate programs, the internship program, to those who have graduated from our certificate program and to those who are near completion. So if you have completed 3 out of the 4 courses, but you are in the process of completing the 4th course, you certainly will be eligible to apply to the internship. Are there any other questions? Let's see. Okay, let me provide you with the contact information here. As you can see, here is my contact information. You can reach me and my colleague at the following email address. Is biotech_online@berkeley.edu. Our phone number is 510-642-1062. And also be sure to check out our website for additional detail if you want to read through for additional clarification, or you feel free to contact us if you wish to talk to us to see whether this program is appropriate and a good fit for your individual professional needs and career endpoint. If you have any questions, feel free to email at any time, and we usually will try to get a response to you within a couple of days or same day. And thank you again for joining us. But please stay on for a few moments because we will now launch a survey. So please feel free to provide feedback on this presentation and so that we can enhance the presentation in the future.
One person has raised hand.